Welcome. If you've noticed that previews on Facebook web aren't showing up the way they should, you're not alone. With the latest update, Facebook has slightly changed where this setting lives, and many people are having trouble finding it. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to turn previews back on using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Facebook website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. Next, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can control different aspects of your Facebook account. Now, on the left-hand side, scroll down until you find Followers and Public Content. Go ahead and click on it. Here's the important part. Look for the option labeled Off Facebook Previews. If this setting is currently turned off, that's why your previews aren't showing. Simply disable the Off Facebook Previews option. Turning this off allows Facebook to show preview content properly again, especially when interacting with links or shared posts. Once you've done that, your changes should save automatically. You don't need to press any extra buttons. And that's it. Your previews should now be working again on Facebook web. If this helped you out, make sure to stick around for more quick and easy guides just like this. Thanks for watching.